Fresh will be as you, and then somebody a rich Kotoko players no. At January, I'll be trying light bay or clubhouse. Sans and Sembinaze, and I'm over Tenaho, Wintia light bay, Monya Bibiano, say no, every year eba. Based on information I may say, Cano, every year eba. Solomon Agbasi, I say, House of Folk no, join a House of Folk no. Or shed that any contract say, was signed 2 years, 3 years. Inti also what they carry Mzito, a very good relationship. They carry Mzito, very good relationship. Bobe Kai say, Tama na carry Mzito dreams FC no, or no na Starman as a goalkeeper. Now, what's a number catcher say, a likely say Kotoko News 2 days to close the transfer window, and that's a 1 day. Solomon Agbasi to Kumasa Sante Kotoko again momentum pan. There is a good news here. Amede Emao Ewo Super. So when they say a full pack of content, Unilever Ghana, Unilever World, Unilever Africa, a big brand in terms of products, household products. Na and no make a presentation wo Kumasi Asante Kotoko training ground. Now information in there chiriba no a very positive news and also with the Asia Ufia. Makacha will say Kotoko clubhouse no players one who light base of Mississippi be chum ye chuma sa. Na at the end of the season so clubhouse no go dey say a likely say no one be chum and also details kakra ewo ha me de Asia ewo if you have say a Super 24 TV enya to hope every detail every explanation ye dey bro na mamenka will say the Confederation of African Football CAF AFCON Ekosu Morocco no the semi-final parents no happen yes my bright team is screen kakra the semi-final parents no happen ene kwanya memedie no Morocco ba man for say kabembra first semi-final no Morocco and Nigeria and a second semi-final no Egypt and a friend Ivory Coast. The prediction they say Morocco are host country. Was Morocco moji AFCON ache. Inti me feel say also me the support mo. Me maybe our Nigeria Morocco no. Me hemfa na Nigeria Morocco and na Egypt Cote d'Ivoire no dey. Egypt Cote d'Ivoire no dey. Me I'm going for Cote d'Ivoire. Cote d'Ivoire a neighboring country. Cote d'Ivoire. Inti and also any the about AFCON and basso den. Inti minuanom me pacho unsubscribe ya no hit the rest subscribe button no about no man so ansana and nsempa nsemda be bro nyina no me de munchi mu no abro ewufi I will join the Kotoko reaction no 0247 1072 0247 107260 that's Kumasi Asante Kotoko reaction afi you say here sponsorships ahodo enti me number now say that screen so no so for number no me kwan bia opeso ofa so support here opeso ofa so support Super 24 TV na you do me no dane de nyina ye koso e de ba no obetimi abo abrochi na wo camera microphone the obo a wo peso the boy do me de bia no we are welcome to receive your bit of support to the production no e Ghana Kumasi ya de bremu de bia no mesewa inti obetimi afa me number no na wa WhatsApp me na afi nkomodie no ye di ni ho e na wo nioma wo product and service na wo pese ye be sports no ne ye bonhu dawro e wo hanso mawa e no so ye betimi e di nkomo about it afi mamenko nsem no right after one after the other but answer na me ko nsem no the date ne 14th of January 2026 the year of our Lord. Let's take this message as a light for our path and then Super 24 no so in everything that you are doing do it as if everyone is watching the wo ye bia no sa wo kwa na wo kra na ade na wo ye no ye ne tse de obia ehwe se ne be ya you give out your best to the bia nkofo bi wa ho ya adwuma mana ohwa ha no obia ni ha no aye do basa but the wo ye no eno na beton ade na wo ye no eno be recommend o inti sa ukoye ukobo last adwuma bi na ukoye adwuma prekisi bi a at the end of the day, no, or brand now, or per se, or build, no, it is not going to help your brand. About what I say. So therefore, in everything that you are doing, make sure you do it just like you do it when everyone is there. Yes, they make culture a very deep and pentia, but they are all in make sure say you are giving out the best. And just any power hope, make sure certain you are doing it right. And we are the writer, it is on going to sell your own brand. Yes, and also any deal. Now, what much I do, I mean, call stories no real quick. Solomon Agbasi to Kumasi Asante Kotoko Meno Kase, again, massive grounds, pan, our Ghana Asante Mem, and now Meno Kase. According to Himua Eban, said Solomon Agbasi did not join a class of folk on a permanent base. And now, another thing about Solomon Agbasi said, it was agreed, Mamin Chirim, it was agreed in principle, say Solomon no join Accra House of Folk for the end of the season. For the end of the season. Timeme initial report I mean Sakai about Solomon Agbasi Ebe Kumasi Asante Kotoko was going to be at the end of the season, but pray there na I know the mean to me and stick my neck out say aka 2 or 1 day ama Kotoko ya close to transfer window no. And no reports no there. Mentally sticking my neck out. And no, by common sense, by logical reasoning, what checking is here. Kotoko do not need Solomon Agbasi right now. Because right now, no, Kamara so and a Kamara no be free at the end of the season. Therefore, Sakamara be free at the end of the season. It is going to be at the end of the season and a Kotoko. Ebe here Solomon Agbasi. But in no. First round, no, according to the American Kakran, said at the current time for this transfer option, but I say in the first round, nobody must sign player and they said, or say be a team serious injuries, biba, and I say one she show team ya, and no, it's for quick fix. Because a quick fix, and many we are problem solving. For the quick fix, no, and we say the transfer first round a buy, no, it's a signing in here bibra ayana yen advices obey sa transfer and as obey sa signing in the transfer first one window no nti o Solomon Agbasi situation na in here gidi because already Kamara no or at the end of the season in also nti the met me I report to you about Kamara going and the replacement will be at the end of the season. At the end of the season the Kamara ninya kwa and Solomon Agbasi sa we cry no I mean first sign so e possible I just say coach Karim Zito still na coach Karim Zito at Kumasi Asante Kotoko table no wo so bebre na before enra what's the enra me story be about Hamza Obeng Kotoko IMC ne ka chen say ontwe no ho free first team no ntokwa ne dooso menuanom Hamza Obeng a tore bia odibem because Kotoko players no e be lazy according to information and Ram mensa kind. Ram be story ni we no. Hamza Obeng was a young coach and a young coach no. Why not be so no obe direct with them nkra no nti one nkra no apeke so many problems. Enunti and issues wo de bia no. Na IMC for no ehu ni say okọ he ni junior team na ebeboa no. Ena omo take decision but enra training grounds Hamza Obeng because IBC na take decision na boss nsemo Kotoko technical team no matter say concerning same piwo enra training grounds wo na pinkraba ho coach Abdulkarim Zito e ka kire e plead to na pinkaze osre na Hamza Obeng obi a oboa no nti obese ahia no nti Hamza Obeng update na no pay me de eba no Coach Karim Zito say ubehia Hamza Obeng waka kire na pingra nti say be moving forward sa esa kodane na Hamza Obeng esa join the Kotoko main technical team na emane nyoma but and report e dey ba dey 100% truth and also any the ewo about Hamza Obeng konkonsa any nsensem bebre do so but we nyina no e players no and o maso eden players na so eden papa me no ka say person omo ya no money Hamza Obi and Hamza Obi so enhwe kwan a obefa so ni players no I relate because players no anye bi omo nya nkra omo ye nipa te se wa te se ebia o ma o no mu fie me policy no sa wo ye panyin na o da ade ano make sure say masa ade na o da no enye gidi gugu se e fair grounds and na wo de so it's Hamza Obi latest no Unilever Ghana, Unilever World, almost sponsor CAF, and almost sponsor FIFA. Good news, kesi pa na Agbasi. Unilever for no eba be sponsor Kumasi Asante Kotoko mede emunchi mu no ebe bro. Information I mean come from exclusive source. They say Asante Kotoko clubhouse or na players need a muntria like bill no. So players now mo that clubhouse or muntria like bill. Information I mean say can say sa nyoma no penifo adwon say it doesn't really make sense. Players are Itrianica, players are Wojakatria. Now, over time, now what did the free I say, Utrala be? But say the Omode Esha say, Copem at the end of the season, they say, we know until at the end of the season, a key effect Monday, Busume Sono Mokojo Marketria light bill on Penny Force Massa, a Canada also, on bet tier free, and to make this information, I'm saying, my players, you're my word. Now, always light be, me studio kitu ya ba create ha me yem nyoma like be abitwa enya asem kitu na all players who try like be it try like be that I say all player who try like be it is the good news is that Kumasi Asante Kotoko players are going to pay light bill and it is going to be deducted from almost salary busumi bia omoje Kumasi Asante Kotoko kuma pema ba isabotu yemfa kwetwa lotu no. This is the news but and I think say it's a positive news beboa my clubs no players no omani anda hopa because won't be maintain fee without paying line bill now yes na edidi utrim enye fine so and also any information mensa eka from that place. Now apart from line bills and seminar, another talk to it on this particular story they say Kotoko decided say omu way option at the end of the season. Once in the middle of the season there, was a decision to pay light bill no about at a time or more who so omo bre, omo who sends and seminar doors. In this omu way option they say at the end of the season, player oba everyone is going to vacate the clubhouse. This is exclusive information at Mensa Eka News no. Menya me filter me kasa me filter minuma on to say menya clean no afi ma be presenting no because if you are saying mpanyifo ehwe no enya asem ketwa and no information ever and I don't know what you think. Do you think that it would be a very good idea if Kotoko abolish the clubhouse system which is currently in place at the structures of Kumasi Asante Kotoko where these players are all camped at a base in Fumuswa? What do you think? You can leave your comment in the comment section. Now, you did comment about it. But remember, sa ekoba sana many bench club no. Enye club I was say a camp. Grinding in our baby falco. Na nkate bone no. Ene nkate panafra. Not almost say players nibi. And yet already we have disciplinary issues. Joseph Abloko, Teddy Duko. The other time this player Justice Blair called. All these amid the player issues in Sensema Ekoso, our clubhouse. So at the end of the day, if these players are not living in a clubhouse, it is going to serve the best interest of the club so that in Sensembia with regards to Kumasi Asante Kotoko, any players ya campion CC like be omukuchian many anje papa because Nkwawe no ya so amana broso yes makra was 8,000 9,000. The Kotoko players is why won't you cry 4,000 5,000 so now we like be now what's one now there is a big news coming and the announcement is going to be made because they say the official contact now Abaso Kotoko is going to grab a very top sponsor. Kumasi Asante Kotoko sponsorship was a biba in getting but this one is a big brand. We are seeing Unilever. Unilever is a company which produces household products. Unilever more regular or more spray or more eatery or more nyoma bebre. It is a fear nyoma brush, toothpicks, ne saa nyoma no eye company a omo produce efie nyoma like nyoma samina omo saa nyoma no for human upkeep na no na information a mensa ka ne se enne Kotoko training ground no ombekwa akoye presentation ama Kotoko for no so Kotoko players no and the technical team after the presentation nkomo endam achiri and say they are coming on board to sponsor Kumasi Asante Kotoko, the greatest Ghanaian football club currently in Ghana. Because someone who said, Omone CAF Ayon Kufano, Omone FIFA Ayon Kufano, Ghana, so on per se, almost establish a strong base in Ghana. Now, on per se, almost establish a strong base in Ghana. Na Kotoko debate me more there. Say, some mileage, you know. And when you Martinez, your mom said, no, Asante Kotoko, Ukuma Pema Pemba is Abutu. You have a good to that. Yonko na yade omunko di kasubum no na yede omunko di kasubum na ebeboa ama ye Unilever Ghana product yede ba any product that's one market no ebenya more mileage hwade high sense or benefit pa from Kumasi Asante Kotoko sponsorship no because Kotoko sponsorship no me hu ni say ama high sense more mileage Ghana but the moment yenka no high sense ba Ghana one Kotoko relationship no abuana managini even though say high sense no or ye more advert but say ufa baby a high sense and a high sense no say ukwa buche on the sponsor Real Madrid or a part of Real Madrid sponsors no it's high sense on the Kotoko ayonko fan abuana pa ena Unilever for no so hu ni say Kotoko beboa enti sika metete ne enye sika ketwa enya sem ketwa sika no mo du yie enti we ade a ma Kotoko ye Kotoko no na ngomudi about Kotoko managerial structure and sense Kotoko what say here competent professional hands omo munimade Kotoko dey gold mine a gold mine but I say jeja nyoma sa because Ghana Football Association GF and GF president omo fa league no and also can update for be be am dey be share e ofia